working on trying to figure out how to measure for subcooling and superheat on the HVAC system. This is my second class. Anytime I don't understand anything, I just go to the professor and he helps me out with anything I need.
They have to learn this on the HVAC classes, because this is one of the most important skills for the technician to know. When they check the superheat and subcool, they gonna give them a signal about their unit, how it's working, is on the right level of superheat or not. If it is not, why it is not. They have to check then why the superheat or subcool is less or more than the level.
Just from the job experience field, I would say make sure you like being in the elements. As long as you're pretty decent with math, everything like that, remembering the formulas, I think everything would work out. Trades are a dying breed, so it's always good to get some people involved with it. It'll always be a high demand for it.
It is actually the best with the lab we have, with the staff we have, with the tools we have, with the way that we work very, very hard to make the student understand every single word what we are saying, what we are teaching, to make him understand and be a real technician in the field.